Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job that's available for you. Today we have 6 jobs available for you and we're gonna put it all in this one video format with all the links in the description down below so you can apply right away. If you prefer this format better than the individual videos, please let us know in the comments below so we can make more of these type of videos in the future. So the first opportunity is from IKJ Marketing Agency SRL. They're looking for a content creator and it pays up to $2,500 a month. We're a marketing agency that specializes in working with e-commerce brands. We help them with TikTok and Facebook ads, along with UGC content. We're looking for US-based golf content creators to join our team who will make TikTok UGC videos for our clients that sell golf products. As a content creator with us, you work on your own terms. Do what you enjoy doing and have a direct impact on our partners' brand's social media development. Your responsibilities will be shoot TikTok UGC videos for client products, upload the TikToks to our internal database and communicate to our content team about your work and results. Requirements: you should play or should have played golf in the past. Being on TikTok is a must. You must have a TikTok profile that was created at least 3 months ago and spend at least 10 hours on the platform per week. This way you understand the platform and you get the feel. Active TikTok profile. You need to have an uploaded video count of at least 5. The videos need to show minor to advanced editing skills. This way we can verify that you know how to edit and upload videos and also what is currently trending and how to leverage the trend for growth. A player personality, solution-oriented, discipline, able to take responsibility and lighthearted. What they offer: a great way to learn and improve your business skills. You get an inside view of a successful agency business. Make an impact in our business. The tasks you're responsible for are mundane. Just get it done task. You're encouraged to be creative, and because we run these videos on ads on the platform, you're directly responsible for the company's success. Learn how to create content that sells, which is a very valuable skill you can bring to the marketplace. Have the opportunity to work with amazing brands plus receive their products for free. The job is part-time, pays from $2,000 to $2,500 per month. He has a flexible schedule. He has some questions such as where you based, for how long you've been on TikTok, and do you have an experience creating UGC content? Do you play or have played golf in the past? So we know that you understand the sport. So that's job number 1, and the link will be in the description below if you feel like you're the perfect candidate for it. Next one will be Agency Elevation. They're looking for a content marketing specialist. This is 100% remote and it's digital marketing with benefits. This is a full-time position. Compensation is based on experience and skill set. Company provided benefits are also included. This is 100% remote, work from home, but you must be able to reside in the USA, no exceptions. If you're looking for a fast-paced and cutting-edge work environment with advanced opportunities, this could be the opportunity for you. The content marketing specialist will be responsible for writing clients' articles, press releases, blog posts, and more. You must be experienced and competent with all aspects of content writing. This position, of course, requires excellent grammar and also creativity and attention to detail. In addition, you must be available from 9 to 5 Monday to Friday for normal business hours. Nights and weekends are not required. Technical requirements: excellent grammar, excellent attention to detail, creative, independent, able to work at a good pace. Key responsibilities: create clients' articles, press releases, blog posts, and more. Experience required: 3+ years in content writing, digital marketing experience preferred but not required. Ideal candidate: self-motivated, who is comfortable working without someone looking over their shoulder. Very strong communication skills, enjoy working with others in a fun but fast-paced environment, managing many clients' campaigns. Comfortable adapting and changing as marketing content trends change. Compensation and benefits: a base salary, health insurance, dental insurance, vision insurance, 401k with matching, company supply computer if needed, competitive paid holiday schedule, unlimited paid time off, remote, work from home. Benefit condition: only full-time employee eligible. It is full-time, includes many benefits, 8-hour shifts, day shifts Monday through Friday. One of the questions is, what is your preferred salary for this particular position? They're looking for at least high school or equivalent education experience. I'll put the link right in the description below if you feel like you're the perfect candidate for this position. The next one is Lilacs on York Creative Studios. They're looking for a social media marketing assistant. It pays for $25 to $35 an hour. It's remote and must be available during Eastern Standard Time. Start date ASAP. Lilacs on Your Creative Studio is hiring a social media marketing assistant to help us build brand awareness and consistency, show up online with content reflective of our values and impact. Lilacs on York Creative Studio exists to support equity-centered individuals and organizations in telling compelling stories, finding and engaging human connection, and generally being their best. Lilacs on York was formed in 2010 as a project focusing solely on graphic design, and in 10 years since then, the full-time work for our founder/principal Allison K. Mason has grown the scope and capacity of this boutique design and communication firm. We cater our work to equity-centered individuals and organizations because it gives us the opportunity to draw the right people into the critical work that the world needs: beauty, access, and justice. We work with clients that craft beautiful, distinctly personal solutions that move them forward. We do this via 3 main avenues: graphic design and communication strategy, creative retreats for entrepreneurs, and digital learning products. Lilac on York is for you if you think holistically about an entire scope of work, making sure you understand all aspects of a project well enough to think critically throughout, switch to go mode and ramp up creativity when problems arise, are committed to excellence, regularly going the extra mile to get it right, communicate well and prioritize being easy to work with, prioritize diversity constantly and have an eye towards equity, value honesty and integrity, care about being open-minded and authentic. Where you fit in the picture, we're a growing agency of designers and communication strategists with big visions for how we support equity-centered organizations and entrepreneurs. We want to reach a broader audience, and that's why we need you. The SMMA provides essential support to the overall growth of Lilacs on York. Location is flexible, however, the ideal candidate will work on a schedule consistent with either Eastern or Central time zone. We want someone who is passionate about great storytelling and who is willing to apply critical thinking to every step of a project. We're looking for someone with an entrepreneurial spirit who wants to join the organization and on the ground floor of a growing business. This is a part-time contract role and that will report directly to the founder principal. We're looking for someone with a knack of social media who will be open to working with Lilacs on York for 1+ years. Responsibilities: use provided vision and brand guidance and create graphics and templates for Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, IG stories, and TikTok via GoDaddy Studio and InShot. Manage our social media content calendar. Schedule social media posts via Facebook Creator Studio and posting/engaging in the native apps when necessary. Repurposing existing content to create additional social media content. Write standard operating procedures for the new social media systems that you develop. Track weekly time via time and task management platform like Hive. Review social media analytics and make suggestions to improve our overall social media strategy. Suggest new content campaigns and our strategy to increase our engagement with our audiences. Requirements: we hope to hear from you if you have at least 1 year experience in social media marketing and you work well with others. Place a high value on communicating and know how to do it well. Prioritize understanding your manager and teammates. Know how to build and maintain positive and productive relationships at work. Enjoy working on a team and collaborating with others. Managing yourself well. Have a strong self-advocacy and are comfortable asking questions and speaking up your needs. Are highly self-aware and self-sufficient. Know how to execute from a plan. Have a figure-it-out mentality, researching solutions to issues when they arise. Have strong habits and orientations. Know how to manage your time to hit deadlines. Have a keen attention to detail. Are highly innovative, flexible, and organized. Consider problems to be opportunities to be creative, but also think ahead to avoid as many problems as you can. Meet these technical requirements. Have access to a computer and reliable high-speed internet. Expert copy editor and writer. Keen design aesthetic. Software proficiency, Google Docs and Airtable. Communication skills, knowledgeable of English, written techniques, tools and principles. Creativity and originality. Fluency of ideas, writing, advanced copy editing. Confident in your ability to critique and edit in service of storytelling. The pay rate for this position is $25 to $35 per hour for up to 40 hours per month. The ideal candidate for this position will be hired as a contractor. It is part-time, provides a flexible schedule, works Monday through Friday, and it includes some questions. Preferred will be associate's degree, but it's only preferred, not required, but required at least 1 year of social media marketing. If you feel like you're the perfect candidate for this position, we'll have the link right below so you can apply right away. But if not, it's okay. We're gonna have 5 to 7 job leads every single day on this channel, and we're gonna continue with the next job. We have the company Baco, and they're looking for a social media specialist. It pays $25 an hour. The duration for this job is 6 months. Required will be strong oral and written communication skills, ability to build and manage effective working relationships with internal and external partners, self-motivated with the ability to prioritize and multitask, works well under pressure and is able to meet tight deadlines, ability to manage tactical projects independently and demonstrate self-initiative, attention to detail and ability to give and receive feedback, minimum 1 year experience in marketing and or social media marketing. Desired skills. Prior agency/client relationship management experience is a plus. In-depth knowledge of social media and engagement strategy. 1 to 2 plus years of professional experience. Reporting and analyst experiences. This pays $25 an hour. It's a social media specialist remote for the company Baco. If you feel like you're the perfect candidate for this job, we'll have the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. For the next job, it's for Agent Design House, and they're looking for a video editor. Agent Design House is a full-service marketing agency for real estate agents across the country. We provide support from traditional marketing tactics to digital marketing. We're currently looking for video editors to join our team. This is a fully remote position with flexible scheduling. We're looking for someone who is creative, outside-the-box thinker, and can enhance the look of videos. All videos are pre-recorded. Video editors should have experience creating fun and professional thumbnails. This job is part-time. It offers a flexible schedule. It pays Monday through Friday with a self-determined schedule. If you feel like you're the perfect person for this position, we'll have the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, that's okay. We're gonna have 5 to 7 job leads every single day on this channel, and we have one more job in this particular video available for you. And this one is for Jump Factor Marketing. They're looking for a content manager, both writer and editor. It pays from $40,000 to $60,000 a year. Why employees love Jump Factor? It's very competitive compensation, remote work, constant growth and career advancement opportunities, performance-based bonuses, paid training, paid social events, robust health, dental, vision, and disability benefits, pet-friendly environment, weekly learning programs, state-of-the-art technologies and tools. For the qualifications, you need 2 to 5 years writing about the following topics: healthcare, medical devices, software, industrial, marketing technology, or IT industries. 2 to 5 years of experience within journalism role. ability to research topics and write copy to adhere in tight deadlines, proven experience producing high-quality copy and content for landing pages, blogs, ebooks, and ad copy and other website assets, excellent knowledge of SEO optimization and integration into copy, superb grammar and writing style ability, able to craft compelling content, target buyer persona while telling a story, and draft powerful copy for emails and landing pages to trigger emotions and drive action. Ability to research into technical B2B niche topics and distill the concepts into understandable marketing copy. Job description: coordinate, manage, and edit content from a group of 15 plus vetted graphic designers, freelance writers, provide candid feedback, and update performance trackers. Edit 12 to 15 content pieces per week for B2B clients. This includes blogs, sales, copy, and landing pages. Additionally, producing approximately 3 pieces of yourself. Research and write B2B focused work for clients' industry using industry terminology and developing through leadership. Leverage SEO keyword research tools, exceptional grammar, and thorough understanding of conversion-oriented SEO optimized copy. Work closely in a team of 5, focus on a select set of clients, ensure growth of traffic and leads in order to generate ROI for clients. Jump Factor is an award-winning 3-time Growth 500 fastest growing agency in Canada. We're a dynamic, fast-paced, and integrated digital inbound marketing agency. We're best suited for motivated self-starters. We specialize in B2B services and technology marketing. If you're smart and if you have a passion to learn, the creativity to explore, and the courage to add your voice to constant and demanding conversation, Jump Factor could be the ideal place for you to test yourself and be part of something great. Their core values are strategic, passionate, tenacious, learning, embrace the team, and have integrity. This job is full-time, pays from $40,000 to $60,000 per year. It is Monday through Friday, and it is fully remote. If you feel like you're the perfect candidate for this or any of the jobs that we said today, all the links are going to be right in the description below, so you can apply right away. But if not, that's okay. We're going to have 5 to 7 job leads every single day on this channel. And all you have to do is subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be one of the first notified when we have the best remote work from home job that's available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.